Hello, my name is Rudmeri Bueno. I live in Neiva of the department of Huila. I work as a primary school teacher in the Popular Claretian School. I am studying system energy, hydroelectric, the growing demands for energy associated with economic development and popular growth has led to the expansion of electric power production. The production of electric energy through hydroelectric plants has been called clean of the renewable power. But the social and environmental impacts of the construction, as well as the effects to health of population, have long been recognized. Currently in the country there are 28 plants, hydroelectric plants, that generate 68% of the electrical energy of our country. All these dams in the Column Massif, where the largest amount of water in our country is produced. In the Huila, we found two hydroelectric plants that have caused many every moment and social problems. The retention has modified fluvial and surface water currents, affecting settings, transport, and change the shape of rising surface. The decomposition of organic water matter in reservoirs can promote the generation of greenhouse gases. Likewise, the concentrations of macronutrients could increase the productions of phytoplankton with reduced concentration of dissolved oxygen and the quality of the water. Ion pressure of the water on the ground cold after instability and generate latent or semicity. Environmental problems. The change in affect the biotic diversity in repair ecosystem. There is the clean native and exotic species. The dimming of river makes it difficult for migratory species to circle freely, causing habitat fragmentation. In order to solve this problem generated by productions or hydroelectric through hydroelectric plants, you can move on the use of clean energy. Choose a with energy that is obtained for the width of solar energy. Through photovoltaic technology and solar thermal science where has a sunny climate. Thank you very much.